Tidio ChatBot Honest Review. Watch before using. Links to the product are added in the description, so check those out if you're interested. Tidio is an AI-powered chatbot and live chat solution designed for businesses looking to improve customer engagement, provide instant support, and drive conversions. Its standout features include live chat widgets, automated responses, multi-channel support, integrating email, messenger, and Instagram, and a robust AI-powered chatbot builder that doesn't require coding skills. This tool is primarily created for small to medium-sized businesses, e-commerce stores, and anyone looking to streamline customer service without hiring a large support team. With Tidio, you can offer 24/7 customer assistance, reduce response times, and even increase sales by guiding users through their buying journey. One of the major highlights is its ability to integrate seamlessly with platforms like Shopify, WordPress, and Wix, making it extremely convenient for online store owners. What's truly impressive is the ease of use. Tidio offers an intuitive drag-and-drop chatbot builder, pre-built templates for common use cases, and detailed analytics to track your performance. On the downside, the free version has limitations on the number of live chat conversations and AI chatbot responses per month. So if your business is scaling, you'll likely need to upgrade to a paid plan. However, even the paid plans are competitive in price compared to similar tools in the market. In summary, Tidio is a great option for businesses prioritizing user-friendly design, multi-channel functionality, and effective automation. But if you're a larger business needing highly advanced AI or unlimited chats, you may need to look elsewhere. If this review helped, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the like button. Your support helps others discover valuable insights like these.